Namaste to one and all. We'll start today's session sitting in any comfortable posture, whether Sukhasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana. Placing both your hands in Jnana Mudra. Rest it onto your lap. Back and neck straight. Eyes gently closed. A gentle smile on your face. Normal breathing. Get your full concentration, mind and body for the 1 hour of yoga abhyas. Fresh morning. Easy to get the concentration. Connecting with the breath. A nice breathe in, filling the air all around your upper body, and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep breathing gently and softly without changing the breathing pattern. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Every breath with the awareness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we'll start with the chanting of Omkar. For chanting Om, breathe in, and while exhaling out, chant Om. We'll start. Back and neck straight, eyes remain closed. So breathe in. Breathe in. Another breathe in. Om Bhur-bhuvah Swaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bharivo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Now getting both your palms together. Rub your palms. Gently cup your eyes. Open your eyes into your palm. Relax. Sitting in the same posture, we are going to start with some warm-up practice. So now start bending towards the right, left, right, left, right, left. Now placing the palms onto the ground. More deeper bending, more deeper, and now placing the elbows onto the ground and give a nice stretch either side of your body. Yes. Keep doing this. Keep your elbows stretched, fingers together, and give a feel nice. Observe the stretch. to the opposite side of your body. Coming back to the center with a nice breathe in, filling up the air all around your upper body, and breathe out. Getting your right hand forward, looking straight, looking at the eye level. Another breathe in, coming back to the center. Breathe out, just twist, getting your left hand forward, looking straight. Another breathe in, once again coming back to the center. And now breathe out, right hand forward, hold down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in to the center, breathe out, other way around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in to the center, breathe out, placing your hands at the back, very closer to your seat. Breathe in, dropping your neck, raising your chest, stretching your abdomen region. And now exhaling out, gently getting your forehead onto the ground. And if possible, just raise your hands up. Just listen to your body. If you are okay to do, please do. Otherwise, do not force yourself. Another breathe in. Once again, dropping your neck, raising your chest. A good impact on your lower back. And now exhaling out, gently getting your spine stretched, forehead onto the ground. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a breathe in, coming back to the center. And now slightly twist towards the right. And now exhaling out, start bending towards the right side, chest onto your lap, forehead onto the ground, your hands slightly up if possible. Otherwise, do not push yourself. Now breathe in, coming back to the center, slightly twist towards the left. And now exhaling out, start bending, hold down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a breathe in, coming back to the center. Relax, release your hands. Now placing your hands closer to your body. With a nice breathe in, hands stretch towards the sky, and exhaling out, hands down, chin towards the throat. Another breathe in. Once again, observing the breath, hands up, stretch, see how much you're able to do, and exhaling out, hands down, chin towards the throat. Another breathe in. Once again, hands up and stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhaling out, hands down, chin towards the throat. Relax, looking straight. Once again, both your hands up. Hold down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just twist your hands, palm facing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now interlock your fingers, palm facing the sky, and give a nice stretch. And observe the stretch from your hip region up to your fingertips. And now gently bending towards the right. Hold down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. And now towards the left. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back to the center. With a nice breathe in. Stretch. See how much you're able to do. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And now exhaling out. Gently getting your hands down. Very slowly. Do not hurry up. Gently getting it completely onto the ground. Relax. Normalize the breath and just will give a nice twist. Now placing your left hand on your right knee and your right hand at the back. Looking behind, sitting tall, normal breathing. Just focusing on your breath. Be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center, onto the other side. Now the right palm onto your left knee. Left hand placed behind. Twist behind. Back and neck straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back to the center. Relax and now release your legs. Release your legs. Flap your legs, making yourself comfortable. Just flap. Yes. Keep doing this. Yes. And now we are going to start with the toe movements. Now just placing both your hands at the back, closer to your seat. You are sitting tall. When you sit like this, automatically your spine is erect. So we'll start with the toe movements. Open your toes wide and nice. Open wide and then close it. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open and close. And now we start with the stretching of the feet. And now stretch forward. Stretch and observe the stretch all around your thigh, knee, shin, ankle, heel. And now getting your toes towards yourself. When you get it towards yourself, a nice stretch on your calf muscles. Once again, stretch, come back, stretch, come back, stretch, observe the stretch and relax. Coming back to the center. Now we start with the alternate feet stretching. Just like a pedaling, keep doing this. Yes. And now we'll start towards the right. Place it onto the right, then left, right, left. Try to place your little finger onto the ground. Yes. And now we start with the rotation. Sitting tall, try to keep your spine erect. So we'll start with the rotation 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Keep doing this. Yes. Relax. And now get your feet apart, and now get the big toe onto the ground. Big toe onto the ground and feel the stretch. Side of your thigh, knee, shin, calf muscles coming back to the center and now the little toe. Relax. Feet together. Flap your legs. Yes. And now getting both your legs up, down. And now getting your, we are going to start only with the right. So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll work with our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we'll do with both the legs. So getting both your legs towards yourself. 1, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Flap your legs, making yourself comfortable. And now coming, getting both your legs together, the soles of both the legs together. Slightly away from your body. Slightly away. And now try to push your knees towards the ground. Placing both your palms onto your knees. Just try to push with a gentle effort. Do not do it hard. Listen to your body. It doesn't matter when your knees reach here, here or here. It is important what you should be comfortable. So just push, trying to opening up our hip region, hip joint, hold and gently coming back to the center. Once again, knees towards the ground. You slightly bend forward, so that's okay. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now getting both your feet towards yourself and now hook your toes. You're sitting tall. Or breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Another breathe in. And now exhaling out, slightly bend forward. Just to 30 degrees and observe the stretch. Inner and the outer thigh. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a breathe in, coming back to the center. Observe the breath. And now exhaling out. Once again, bending forward, stretching your spine and now up to 60 degrees. Please do listen to your body. It doesn't matter wherever you reach. With the daily practice, we get to reach to the final point. Another breathe in, coming back to the center. And now exhaling out. Once again, bending forward. Now completely your forehead onto the ground. You can place your elbows onto the ground. If not, you can always get your hands forward, placing your forehead onto the ground. Your elbows onto the ground, palms onto the ground, your forehead onto the ground, and observe the stretch. Your inner and your outer. Now with a breathe in, coming back to the center, relax, and now interlock your fingers and now start flapping. Start flapping here for 20 counts. Keep doing this anytime in the day. If you get time, you can do this 2 times, 3 times. And relax. Relax. Stretching your legs forward, flapping your legs, making yourself comfortable. And now we'll start with some stretching. Now just interlock your fingers under your knees and just rotate 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. And now just push your feet forward and then the lateral movement and then rotating 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. And now placing your right leg onto your left thigh and keeping the sole of the right leg very closer to your left stomach. And then you'll observe that your knee is reaching towards the ground. So take it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And now hold it just like how we hold the baby and just rock like this. Just see how much you are able to stretch. And relax. And now hook your toes. Take your toe towards your left toe. Keeping your knee straight, stretched. Now once again towards yourself. 2, 3. And now hold it like this. Now taking your left hand at the back. Just look behind, look behind. A nice stretch, a nice twist to from the abdomen region. Hold, hold, and relax. Relax. And now hold your right leg with your left hand. Now taking your left hand, hook your fingers and see how high you can take. Just look behind, hold, hold, and relax. Releasing your right leg. Flap your legs. Now we'll repeat onto the left side. You just interlock your fingers. Your hand under the knee 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. We'll start just pushing your legs forward 5 counts, then the sideways lateral movement, and now rotate 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Relax. And now placing your left leg onto your right thigh. So your left leg sole is towards your right stomach. So when you do this, automatically your knee is onto the ground. Your right leg is stretched. Now take it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Now just hold like this. Just rotate. See how fast you are able to do. Now hook your toes and take it toward your right feet. Back, straight, back, straight, back, and straight. And now just hold down. Taking your left hand at the back, expanding your chest and lungs, looking at the back, and hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And now taking your left leg with the help of your right hand. And now taking your left hand from the back and look behind. See how high. The idea is to raise your leg towards the sky. Hold, hold, and relax. Relax, coming back to the center, making yourself comfortable. And now we'll go on with the Paschimottanasana. So you have to stretch forward. Let's get your hands, go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, and back. Please do listen to your body. It doesn't matter if you don't reach to your toes. If you're reaching your ankle, shin, wherever. It is important that you should be comfortable. Now placing both your hands onto your knees. You're sitting tall with a nice breathe in. Raising your hands up. Stretch, palm facing forward. And now exhale out completely. And then go for your toes. Please slightly tuck your tummy and go for your toes. Please do listen to yourself. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. Once again, placing both your hands onto your knees. We'll repeat for one more time with a nice breathe in, filling up the air all around your upper body, and breathe out. And then go for your toes. Hold down. See wherever you are able to reach. Do not push yourself, whether it is ankle, shin, doesn't matter, wherever. With the daily practice, we get used to it and our body becomes flexible. You will be able to reach in the top. Once again, the hands up with a breathe in, breathe out, hands down. Relax, normalizing the breath, and now placing both your hands closer to your seat, bending both the legs at the knee. Now we are going to lift the body up, dropping the neck with a nice breathe in, drop your neck, expanding your chest and lungs. Hold down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your body onto the ground. Straighten your legs. Hands remain in the same posture. Now we are going to lift the body up, but now this time our legs are going to be stretched forward. So we start with a nice breathe in, observing the breath, dropping your neck, raising your body up, expanding your chest and lungs. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your body down. Relax. Tap your legs, making yourself comfortable. And now getting both the legs in Vajrasana. Vajrasana, the only asana which can be done before and after meal. Relax. Otherwise also, any time in the day, you can sit in this posture, just doing nothing. Just take a nice breathe in, breathe out, will give you a nice impact on your body. Good for digestion system, good for eyesight, because there is impact on our feet and the toes and the feet. Whether diabetes, BP, high or low, you can sit in this posture and 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever comfortable for you, keeping in mind that you don't have chronic knee pain. Just relax, a nice breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're going to start with the Mandukasana. So making a fist, placing the base of the thumb beside the knee. You are sitting tall. Your spine is erect. Taking a nice breathe in, filling up the air all around your upper body, and now exhale out. Now after exhaling out, bend forward slightly, tucking the tummy, chin up, hold here. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a breathe in, coming back to the center. Relax. And now just rub both your palms together. Rub your palms, generating the heat, the warmth. Keep rubbing. And now placing your left palm onto your navel, the right above that, with a nice breathe in. Stretch. Exhaling out, bend forward. If you're not able to hold the breath, doesn't matter. Normal breathing also will do. Just hold down here. Hold. And now gently getting your forehead onto the ground. Hold here. Hold. Normal breathing. Just hold this posture. Hold. And now coming back to the center. Relax, normalizing the breath. And now we are going to do the counter pose for Mandukasana. Coming onto your knees. Both your hands, just keep a distance as per, equal to our shoulders. Both your hands closer to your body with a nice breathe in. Hands up, stretch. Looking towards the ceiling. Breathe out, hands down, chin towards the throat. Another breathe in. Once again, up and stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe out. Hands down. Relax. Normalizing deep breath. And now, for the first round, we are going to place our right palm onto our right heel. Keep a distance as per your comfort level between your knees, and now placing your right hand on the right heel, and then taking your left hand beyond your head. Align your shoulders. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming back to the center. Repeating on to the other side. Now placing your left hand onto your left heel. First placing your hand and then gently taking your right hand beyond your head. Try to align your shoulders. Elbows straight, fingers together. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming back to the center. And I will repeat with both the hands onto our heels. Just placing onto your heels and then drop your leg. Expanding your chest and lungs, stretching your abdomen region. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming back to the center onto Vajrasana. Relax. Take a nice breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now placing both your hands and both your hands onto your mat, coming onto the Marjari Asana, the tabletop pose. Open your fingers wide and nice like a starfish, balancing your body, balancing evenly onto your total complete both the hands. So we'll start with a breathe in, head up, crunching your lower back. Yes. Breathe in and breathe out. Just curve your spine, your head between both your hands. Another breathe in. Once again, expanding your chest, crunching your lower back. Hold. And exhaling out, curving your spine, your head between both your hands. Another breathe in, observing the breath. Good for back pain, sciatica pain, good for lungs, good for indigestion. And exhaling out, your head, curving your spine, your head between both your thighs. Relax, coming back to the center. And now we will be stretching our right leg at the back. Just stretching your right leg. Hold down here, your toes onto the ground. Give a slight pressure and observe the stretch onto your total right leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift your right leg off the ground. Stretch your feet. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now bend your leg at the knee. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now take your leg up toward the sky. Hold down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your knee on to the ground. Relax. Repeating on to the other side. And now stretching your left leg, left toes onto the ground. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg off the ground. Stretch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bending your left leg at the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now take it towards the sky. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your knee onto the ground. Relax. Relax for a moment. Now taking both your legs stretched behind. Hold on the plank pose. The Santulanasana. Your whole body parallel to the ground. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now coming on to Parvatasana. Downward facing dog pose. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going back to the Santulanasana, the plank pose. Knees onto the ground. And now placing your elbow onto the ground. Your elbows onto the ground. Once again stretching your legs. Your body parallel to the ground. You're balancing on your elbows and on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming on to the Parvatasana. Your elbows are in the same posture. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your knees onto the ground and coming onto Vajrasana. Just relax, making yourself comfortable with a nice breathe in, breathe out. If you feel tired, heaviness, always take 3-4 rounds of deep and long inhalation and deep and long exhalation. You will feel good and nice. And now everyone coming on to the standing pose. Relax. We're going to start with some stretching. Both your hands up, stretched towards the sky and down. Once again, up and down. Relax. And now start bending towards the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Relax. Give a distance between your leg, more than the shoulders. The same way, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, center. Relax. And now give a distance as per your total convenience. The first round we did with the distance of the shoulder, second little more, and this final is like this. The same way, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Center, relax, coming back to the posture. Just making yourself comfortable. And now we're going to start with the Tadasana. Start with the left hand first. Now taking your left hand up and stretch. Stretch, looking at one point, gazing at one point, and now come on your toes. Coming onto your toes, hold down here. If you cannot, you can always take support of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your hand down, repeating onto the other side, your left hand up and stretch, palm facing forward, heels off the ground. You're on your toes, looking straight, full concentration on your breathe in and breathe out. You're not holding the breath here, just normal breathing. Now gently getting your left hand down, releasing your legs onto the ground. Repeat onto both the sides. So interlock your fingers with a nice breathe in, observing the breath, stretch. Stretch. Now you can have a normal breath here if you want, otherwise you can hold here, looking at one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your hands down, heels onto the ground. We'll repeat for one more round. Once again with a nice breathe in, hands up towards the sky, palm facing sky, and hold here. Good for digestion system, respiratory system, nervous system. This is the asana where all the bones, 206 bones, are getting stretched. Now gently getting your hands down, heels onto the ground. Relax. Now we're going to start with the Vrikshasana. So placing your right heel onto your left thigh. Just balance, get the grip, and now just take your right hand up, stretch. Again, if you really can't feel, if you're not comfortable, you can always take support of the wall. Hold down, hold down, hold. Hold only your right hand is up, your left hand is closer to your body. And now gently getting your right hand down. Relax, repeating on to the other side. Now getting your left leg onto your right thigh. Just looking straight. Get the grip, get the balance. And now taking your left hand up, stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Hold down, hold, hold. Please do listen to your body. It's very important that all the practice, all the asanas you do with your comfort and gently getting your left hand down, releasing your left leg. We'll repeat once again. Now with both the hands, now placing your right sole onto your left thigh. Balance, get the grip, and now gently taking your hands beyond your head. With your palms together, stretch. Pointer facing the sky, other fingers are interlocked. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently getting your hands to 180 degrees. You're standing tall, and now gently getting your body slightly forward. Please do listen to your body. When you get your body forward, your hands will slightly move at the back. So it's easy to get the balance. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming back to the center and releasing your hands and legs. Repeating on to the other side. Now placing your left leg onto your right. It's okay, sometimes our body doesn't support us. We get used to it. Getting a grip, balance, and now taking both your hands beyond your head. Pointer facing the sky, and all the other fingers are interlocked. You get a nice grip while you do this. The hand posture also, we get a grip. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now gently getting your hands onto 180 degrees. Just take nice breathe in and breathe out. Listen to your body, and now gently bend forward. Bending forward, slightly taking your hands behind from your shoulder level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming up and releasing your hands and leg. Relax, making yourself comfortable. Now we're going to start with the Surya Namaskar. So you have to come at the beginning of the asana. Try to, in the house, try to face the area towards the east. Now hold the legs together, shoulders are relaxed. Now getting both your hands in the prayer posture. Eyes gently closed, a gentle smile on your face. Invoking Sun God. Sun is the main source of energy to the entire universe. With a nice breathe in, hands up, stretch, palm facing forward and arch your back. Arch your back. And now exhaling out, go for your toes. Please do listen to your body. Do it gently and slowly. If you're not able to keep your knees straight, doesn't matter. You can slightly bend also. Slowly with the practice, we get used to it. With a nice breathe in, now taking your right leg behind. Ashwata Sanchalasana. And then your left leg behind the Parvatasana. Both the heels onto the ground. A good flow of blood towards the head region. And now coming onto the plank pose. Body parallel to the ground. And now lower your knees. Lower your chest and your forehead. And now coming on to Bhujanga, the Cobra pose. Back to Parvata, the mountain pose. And now getting your right leg forward between both your hands, Ashwata Sanchalasana. And then your left leg forward, Pada Hastasana. Inhale and out, Hasta Uttanasana. And the Pranam Asana. So we'll start with the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. For the final round, we are going to do it with the count of 5. So we'll take 1, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling out, bend forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg behind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The plank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ashtanga, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujanga, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parvata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pranama, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax, making yourself comfortable. Nice breathe in, breathe out. We'll stand in a Samasthiti. Both the palms facing forward. You're standing tall. With a nice breathe in, slightly drop your neck. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax, everyone. Come on to the sitting pose. Relax, normal breathing. A nice breathe in and breathe out. Placing both your hands onto your lap in Jnana Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out. Observing the breath, observing the impact of all the sitting and the standing asana. Just relax, breathe in, breathe out. Keep breathing gently and softly. Relax. Thank you to everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.